Here is an easy way to get a nice clean cut on your painter's tape if you have multiple coats of paint on the tape. I don't like to risk just pulling this off because sometimes it can take paint with it. What I have here is a knife with a fresh, extremely sharp blade. That's going to be the main thing you're going to need to have here. So I'm going to just pop that off the side. Now I'm going to get as close to the wall as I can and just slice back against the wall on top of the tape. By no means rocket science. Just go back again. Why not? There we go. We've got a nice clean line. Come back, clean it up. Got a little paint on the wood that I can come back and clean that up.